Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Kami dari kelompok 3 ingin membacakan hasil review artikel kami. Title: Increasing Students' Creative Thinking Skills at 11th Grade of Mathematics and Natural Science 5 Senior High School 42 Jakarta on subject of temperature and heat by applying discovery learning model. Meningkatkan kemampuan berpikir kreatif siswa kelas 11 MIPA 5 SMA 42 Jakarta tentang suhu dan panas dengan menerapkan model pembelajaran penemuan. 1. How to cite. Serevina V. Sarah A.L. Risniawati M. and Andriana W. 2020. Increasing students' creative thinking skills at 11th grade of Mathematics and Natural Science 5 Senior High School 42 Jakarta on subject of temperature and heat by applying discovery learning model. Journal of Physics. Conference Series 1481 01209882. Disease link.
B. Introduction. 1. Problems. In physics, one must have the ability to think rationally. Process of advanced thinking skill include critical and creative thinking skills. Creative thinking skills are needed in order to anticipate and deal with change. The discovery learning model forces students to discover new things which are in the process of discovering new things. Students need creativity so that the discovery learning models can improve student creative thinking skills. 2. Gap. Branner define discovery learning is one of situations where subject that presented is not in its final form, but it needs student mental activity first so that sets new knowledge in students' cognitive structure. By that explanation, it could be known that discovery learning models could increase students' ability to think more creatively. But in order to know how big the increase of student of temperature and heat, then it was done a cost research or CAR titled Increasing of Creative Thinking Skill of 11th grade student of Mathematics and Natural Science 5 of Senior High School 42 Jakarta on subject of temperature and heat by applying discovery learning models. 3. Purpose. The purpose of this research is to know the increasing of creative thinking skill of 12th grade students of Mathematics and Natural Science of 42 public high school by applying discovery learning model in temperature and heat subjects.
J. Methods. 1. Context or design. The research method used is classroom action research. Classroom action research is research that conducted in the classroom with the aim to fix or improve the quality of learning practice. Research procedures are carried out using two cycles. The cycle used refers to the Hopkins cycle, which is planning, acting, observing, and reflecting. 2. Participants or sampling. Students 11 grade of mathematics and natural science 5. Senior high school 42 Jakarta. 3. Data collection or instrument. The teacher provide the chance for students to gather various exciting and relevant information in proving whether or not a hypothesis is true. This task is to answer question or prove the correctness of the hypothesis. 4. Variables. Applying discovery learning model. 5. Data analysis or statistics. This research has accurate the average increase of students' creative thinking skills by applying discovery learning model. The total score of creative thinking skill in cycle 1 was 60-65% with the increasing score by 33%. So the average score shown was 57.5% for creative thinking. Refer to table 1. The students' creative thinking skill were now creative. The practice was being held obtained that average result of student score was 55 and the post-test result was 73.
The result. The result of this study are by applying cycle 2 consists of planning, action, observation, and reflection. In two implementation cycles, the students were enthusiastic in learning activities that have been delivered by the teachers. It decided the students look active when delivering their ideas. Measurable aspects in this study are creative thinking skills, which include aspects of fluency or fluent thinking abilities. A. Conclusion and suggestion. Conclusion. In conclusion, creative thinking skill increased with the application of the discovery learning model on temperature and head subjects. Suggestion. Student creativity is needed so that the discovery learning models with syntax can improve student creative thinking skills. Catatan. The examples of student worksheets are based on articles in Journal of Physics, conference series, and the link.
Baiklah, sekian pembacaan hasil review artikel dari kelompok 3. Kami akhiri. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you.